DIY Father's Day gift. Love you, Dad. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making my Father's Day present. Yay! So first thing you are going to need is foil. Oh, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Let's get started. Okay, so first I got foil. My mom put it into like a little square. And then you can get these at Five Below. And these paint brushes here, there's different colors. There's pink and blue, but I just got pink. You can get these at Five Below, by the way. And I have some Q-tips. You can get these at Target. And these two, I think I got this one at Five Below, but I don't really know. Because I got these a long time ago. And I got this one at the 99-cent store. And I got this box at Target. Let's go! So first thing, we are gonna grab it like this. And then open it here. Look, you open it like this. And then it like opens. Now I think maybe my dad and my mom can put their keys in. Okay, so first, what color? We don't know? Okay. Alright guys, so I went to go get a bag because in every craft you have to get a bag and then like rip it. You need, by the way guys, you need super adult vision for this. Adult supervision. And if you don't have a dad or like a stepdad or like anything like that, if you have a grandpa, then you can make something for your grandpa. Anybody who's there for you. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the box. It's like a little treasure box here. It opens like this and then it's like a little treasure box. And by the way, we're gonna be putting our paint right here. And let's go. So first I'm gonna put this like teal here. Like teal. And in every craft you also need some baby wipes, candy, and if you're old enough to put the paint on here by yourself, but I'm gonna be putting a close-up in when I paint. Right now I'm just gonna put some that. It looks very cute, by the way. I love painting. It's my favorite. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What's your favorite color? Purple? Okay, I like purple too. I'm gonna put some black. And some of these are kind of sparkly, but that's okay. Your dad won't. Your dad, he will like anything that you give him. Even if it's like pink or anything, he'll still like it. Nope. It's okay. Good thing I have my baby wipes. Baby wipes are always handy. Thank you, assistant. Put on right here. Yep, it's the top that counts. Shake it. I have to shake it first. So then like it's because when you first get it, it like doesn't really come out. And then you squeeze some. That's enough. And then some blue. Just, if you want pink, it's okay. I don't care. Okay, there. It's always better to add a little bit at a time so you don't waste your paint. I love paint. It's my favorite. Is there anything that you're doing for your dad for Father's Day? Are you, oh wait, you're going to the park with your dad? That's nice. I'm gonna give you an up close of this and the paint, kind of. So now let's paint. Hi guys, so I'm back and my mom helped me put this little number, this little note in the box. And you know what it says, I love you, number one dad. In Spanish, it's Te amo, number one dad. So let's get started up painting. Yay! So first, you're always gonna want to paint the inside of piece, then you can't hold the outside. So let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna put it like this. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start painting and we'll fast forward through this. So first, we're gonna do the heart blue. Yay! So we are gonna put the box outside and I'll show you guys when it's done. Love you, Daddy and Grandpa. Hope you have a good Father's Day. Thanks for watching, guys.